How to collaborate on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can collaborate on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Well, to basically collaborate on Instagram, all you have to do is open up the Instagram application here, tap the plus button here, and then just go on about selecting any of the photos that you might be able to find it over here. Once you have done that, tap the next button. Then to collaborate with someone, go to this option called tag people. If you look inside tag people, you can tag people as you normally do, but to invite collaborator, tap on the invite collaborator button. Then all you have to do is simply search for the person whom you would like to invite as a collaborator, and once done, they should be able to be added as a collaborator. That's all it takes to collaborate on Instagram. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.